Today's topic is to remove the unwanted characters from the string. There are four methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is by using a replace function, method 2 by using a join function, and the method 3 by using the filter function, and the method 4 by using the translate function. Let's start from the first method, that is by using a replace function. So first we are going to initialize our string and a list of the strings over here. The string which will be consisting of the special characters, and the list one is going to consist of the special characters only, in which we are going to store the special characters which we need to remove from the string. After that, we are going to go through the for loop in which we are going to go through each and every element of our list number one, that is the characters only of the list, and in which we are going to use the replace method. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the string one dot replace over here. So after that, we are only saying that we need to replace that particular special characters into this string, and we are going to replace it with the no indentations. After that, we are storing it into the string number one, and we have them as an output. So as you can see it over here, the semicolon, exclamatory, the multiplications, all of those are going to get replaced with the no indentations, and that's how we are going to get an output. So as you can see, the triple A and the two times of the spaces, so the before the exclamatory and the after the exclamatory, and the triple B and the double spaces and the triple C.